What a crazy week in AI. Perplexity Comet, Grok 4 SOTA model, Mistral Devstral models, Google VO3 image input. Here's everything you need to know. Perplexity launches Comet, its first AI-powered web browser designed to challenge Google Chrome. Comet integrates Perplexity's AI search and includes an AI assistant that can summarize emails, manage tabs, and navigate web pages automatically.
Pull up the clip of Jensen demoing Perplexity Labs.
I've pulled up a YouTube video showing Jensen demoing Perplexity Labs at GTC Paris. It should be at that moment
to
now.
formulate what is now agentic AI. Let's take a look at one example. Let me show you something. It's built on Perplexity.
xAI unveils Grok 4, claiming it's now the world's most powerful AI model according to independent benchmarks. The model outperforms OpenAI's O3 and Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro with a new $300 a month Super Grok Heavy subscription. Mistral releases Devstral 2507 models, upgrading their agentic coding capabilities with small 1.1 and medium versions. Devstral Small 1.1 achieves 53.6% on SWE-Bench verified, making it #1 open model, while Devstral Medium scores 61.6%. Google adds image-to-video generation to VO3, expanding its AI video capabilities beyond text prompts. Users can now upload photos and generate 8-second videos with synchronized audio through the Gemini app, available to Google AI Pro and Ultra. Kontext raises $11 million to launch the world's first AI-native office suite at a $70 million valuation. The platform automates document creation, presentations, and spreadsheets using your data and tools, targeting 2.5 trillion hours of annual knowledge work.
You know, humans spend 2.5 trillion hours every year bent over screens, manipulating spreadsheets, compiling reports, sifting through emails. But what if things didn't have to be this way? What if AI could use the same tools that we do? What if AI could think like we do? Learn like we do? What if it could reach out to your colleagues, collaborate on ideas, and shape your next big breakthrough? Whether you're an analyst deciphering market trends, a doctor striving to reconnect with your patients, an engineer delivering a crucial innovation, or even a teacher shaping the minds of our next generation, context frees you to get back to the things that actually matter, instead of drowning in endless research, paperwork, and menial tasks. Because when we spend less time in front of our screens, we spend more time being human.
Microsoft introduces BioEmu 1, a deep learning model that generates thousands of protein structures per hour. The model accelerates drug discovery by providing 100,000x computational efficiency compared to traditional molecular dynamics simulations.
BioEmu predicts large-scale domain motions, local unfolding transitions, and the formation of hidden binding pockets for drug molecules with high probability. BioEmu also emulates the results of millisecond-scale MD simulations. If we run simulations like this for several GPU years, we can compute an energy landscape. This is a map of protein structures where the blue valleys contain high probability structures. BioEmu samples these structures extremely quickly. In under 1 GPU hour, we can compute an ensemble of structures that generates a very similar energy landscape, emulating MD at 100,000 times speed up for this example. BioEmu also predicts protein stabilities and the effects of mutations, matching experimental results within 1 kilocalorie per mole, or experimental accuracy. And by analyzing the structure ensembles, we can understand the stabilizing and destabilizing effects of protein mutants. BioEmu opens the door to understanding a key aspect of protein function at scale, which serves drug discovery, protein design, and generates deeper biological insight.
Moonshot AI launches Kimi K2, an open-source agentic model with 1 trillion total parameter and 32 billion activated parameters. The model achieves SOTA performance on SWE-Bench verified, Tau2, and ACE-Bench among open models, excelling in coding and agentic tasks. Black Forest Labs ships Kontext Composer and context-powered presets, transforming images without writing prompts. Features new locations, styles, relighting headshots, product placements, and movie posters. What are your thoughts on these new AI updates? Comment down below.